What's up guys, we're back with another video. This time around we are going to be actually learning how to do slow motion videos. Okay, so for this tutorial I have taken this clip, and so right now this is going to be actually a uh, kill moment thing. So I'm just about to die now. So yeah, that right there you can see I'm dead. So I basically hit the boss directly in its face, and so now I want to apply a slow-mo effect to this. So we are just going to move a little bit back by frames, and then we're going to use our razor tool. Okay, so we're going to use our razor tool. Shortcut was C for that. We're going to use this, and we're going to cut the video right from here. Okay, so right there, it's 1 2 3. Yeah, we're going to cut the video from here, and then we're going to use our selector tool. And yeah, basically now we're going to try and see how long it takes for us to die completely. So yeah, and I'm dead. Okay, so that's the black screen basically. That right there, that was the black screen. So now I want to cut from that spot. So we're going to reselect razor tool, cut from that very point, and so yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna back. Always remember to go back to your selector tool because you might mess up your video if you don't. Now we're going to drag these videos away a little bit, and then yeah, we're going to drag them just a little bit back, and now we're going to zoom in a little bit. We're going to right click and we're going to go in speed and duration. Yep, this one, speed and duration. So now it's on 100%, so you can configure it to 20%. That's how I like my slow-mo. So I'm not going to do with this clip because this is my commentary. This is the audio for my commentary, so I'm not going to mess around with that. So I'm going to change this one's speed duration as well. Okay, so we're going to drag these a little more further back. Okay, yeah, that's it. We're going to drag these motions forward, videos forward. We're going to see how long it takes for the kill to happen. So let's start back up.
I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
Okay, starts jumping. So
One health, one health, one health.
okay, a little bit of stutter on my part. Ooh. Okay, and the slow-mo is applied now. Yeah, so as you can see, the frame rate is very slow now. It's in slow-mo. So yeah, there you go. Setting me, and I am slowly dying. And so we are basically waiting for the screen to fade to black. Okay, so now it's faded to black. Okay, so we're just going to pause it and we're going to go a little back so that we can just cut at the moment the screen went dark. Okay, so right here, yeah, a little bit. Yep, it's complete dark now. So this is it. This is where we are going to cut. This is where we are going to make this video back to short again. Yeah, and this is it. So now we are going to connect these parts back together, join them back. Yeah, and now let's play this part again.
Oh no.
Okay, so now you can see the parts are now joined. And yeah, that's where I died.
I just touched him and that killed me.
And yeah, that's it. Now we are in normal speed.
Now I'm angry.
So yeah, that's it. That's for the slow motion video. So this is all I wanted to do. If you are confused and if you want to know how to use the razor tool and everything, you can check out my other videos for that.
Nice.
And so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.